Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, you'll learn a simple and effective method on how to restart your smartphone without using the physical power button, an especially useful solution if the button is unresponsive or damaged. Begin by unlocking your device. Next, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the notification panel. To reveal additional controls, swipe down once more to open the full Quick Settings menu. This section provides quick access to essential system functions. Within the Quick Settings panel, locate the power icon, which is typically positioned at the top corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to open the Power Options menu. Here, you will see several choices such as Power Off, Restart, and possibly Emergency Mode, depending on your device model and software version. Select the Restart option. If prompted, confirm your selection by tapping Restart again. Your device will then begin the reboot process. It will power off and automatically turn back on within a few seconds without requiring any use of the physical power button. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Stay tuned for more simple and useful tech tips coming your way soon.